Another run of the Feilun FT009 on a 2S LiPo converted connector. It's ready to go. Oh, and she rips, hang on. Ooh. Say range test. Pretty good. Gotta watch the fishing net. Let's test the self-riding feature of the Feilun FT009. Ooh, spot on. Woo, and it got me a bit wet. Woo, there she goes. Turning to the right is not as sharp. Gotta watch it. Turns on the left on a dime. Wow. Let's see how far out we can take her. Pretty fast, the 550 brushed motor.
So you know I can see it from all the way over there.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it from all the way over there, you know.
Let's see if we can. We need a big turning. There you go, big radius of turn.
I see
One
it.
side.
Yeah. Make sure don't fall close to you and zoom it. What happens if it comes close to us? Then?
Yes, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Oh, see. Careful we don't get wet. Nice?
I thought it was like that.
We've got a crowd watching.
I can't believe it, we're not getting wet. I'm getting a little bit wet. Daddy, why are you talking like...
Come a bit closer. You'll come a bit closer so you don't fall in the water. Thank you.
Daddy, why do you not do like...
Local. Here. Yeah, okay.
No, I mean... Like that. That you do.
Like here?
Yeah, what would you say? Like...
Can you see it? What did you say, sorry? Straight pass. I think the battery's going. Okay, let's bring it back.